What?
Phone's ringing.
Hang on, I can't hear you. Just a second, phone. Hello?
Hello, Ben?
Hello?
Sorry, who is this?
Oh, who do you want to speak to? I've hung up. You didn't tell any of your boyfriends to hang up if I answered the phone, did you?
No, no.
Come on. Ben.
Hello, Ben.
Ben.
Hello. You still there, Ben?
Ben. Oh my God, have you seen the news?
News? Hang on. Oh my God.
Therese.
Therese is back.
Yeah, damn right I am.
That's the best news ever.
What about Mackenzie?
Well, I wouldn't miss it for the world.
This is amazing.
Oh.
And Jane?
News travels fast.
But what about her and Mike?
Yes, I know.
Any news on Brittany?
No, she's dead, remember? She got crushed in the bloody flamingo bar, remember?
Good riddance, I say.
Oh, and Leo.
I know. Yeah, I mean, hello, Leo.
What happened to the red carpet, eh?
But one thing, where's Mel?
You're right. Where's Mel?
Do you remember Melanie?
Melanie. Yeah.
I am just so popular at the moment.
You know what this means, don't you?
Oh, I do.
It's time to do it again. Action stations.